Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways of how to make a ladybug. And then I'm going to show you a very simple math activity that you can do with your kids. So what I have here is I have red, black, and white paint. I've got a paintbrush. I've got a black permanent marker. I've got a Q-tip. I've got some red pipe cleaners. And I've got an egg carton. As you can tell, I've been cutting, so it's not a full egg carton. So what I did is I just cut out like the small little circles right here, just like that. So the first one I'm going to show you is very, very simple. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take a pair of scissors. Now remember, kiddos, you have to ask your mom or dad to help you with this because I don't want you to hurt yourself. So what we're going to do, you're just going to poke a little hole on the top of the circle right here. You're going to make 2 holes. Okay, there. Then you're going to take your paintbrush. You're going to paint all of this red, just like this. Okay, just make sure it's red everywhere. Like that. Sorry about that. That was my dog, Athena. She probably sees a squirrel or a birdie outside. So we're going to paint it just like that. And you could set it down here so you don't get paint everywhere. And if it's on your fingers, that's okay. No problem. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your pipe cleaner. I know these look small, but what I did is I just cut them in half so they're not as big. So I'm going to stick one in the little hole that I made with the scissors. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to take another pipe cleaner, stick it in the little hole that we made. So there you go, so they look like little antennas. Then what you're going to do, there's 2 ways you could put the black dots in. You could either take a Q-tip, or if you want to get messy and have a little fun, you could take your finger and put your finger in the black paint and make little dots. But I think for now, I'm just going to take the Q-tip. I'm going to dip it into the black paint. And we're just going to make circles. You can make as many circles as you want. And the other reason I like doing this kind of art project, because it helps you with counting too. So as you're doing the dots, you can count. Say I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that means what? This ladybug is 6 years old. And we'll make another dot. Put one right there. So see? So this is one very simple ladybug that you can do. Now, we're going to just set him over there. Now, the other one is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take our scissors, move that out of the way. We'll just, remember, we're going to make a little hole here and a little hole there. Then what we're going to do first, though, we're going to take the black paint first. So I have my other Q-tip here. I'll just use a brand new one. You're going to pick any side of the little egg carton to make a face. So what you're going to do is you're going to go like this. You could paint. See how I'm painting? Like right there? This will be the face of the ladybug. So we're just going to go like this. You can make the face big. You can make the face small. Whatever you think. So I'm just going to make it just like that on one side of the little egg carton. See? Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to put the Q-tip down. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the other side of the Q-tip that I used for the black, and then we're going to put a little dot on the black of the face, like right there. So that'll be the eyes. Then we're going to take paintbrush again. We're going to paint where we didn't paint the front of it. See, we're going to paint, okay? As you can see, then I'll put it down so I can hold it so I get the red everywhere. Okay? That looks good, right? So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my red pipe cleaner again. We're going to put it in the first hole that we made. We're going to take another one. And then we're going to put it in the second hole that we made. Now we can make our dots. I'll take this. We're going to dot dot. We're going to make dots just like this. Maybe I'll put one on top and one in the back. So then this way, look, now this ladybug has a face and it has eyes. See, now that's another way. So we're going to put that one down. Okay, now this one, what we're going to do, we're going to take this little egg carton. We're going to take our permanent marker. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw eyes first. See how I have one little eye right there. We're going to make another eye. And then we're just going to draw a little smiley face. See? Just like that. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take the scissors and we're going to make a hole here, there, and a hole there. Just like that. Then we're going to take our paintbrush again, paint it, and we're going to paint it red like we did with the other two we made. Now, like I said, I know there's several ways to make ladybugs, but I just thought, heck, I'm sure all of us have egg cartons around the house that, you know, when we're done taking the eggs out, instead of just throwing it away, why don't we just save it? So what I'm going to do, there. I'm going to go over the eyes that I made with the permanent marker just very gently. Just very gently so we could still see the eyes and the mouth. So just a little bit more there. As you can see, I can still see the two eyes and the mouth. We're going to go like that. Like I said, now you could just take your Q-tip with the black and just make dots. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we're going to take our red pipe cleaner. We're going to put it in the first hole. And this one I didn't cut, so we're just going to cut this one in half. Just like that. And then we're going to put it in there. And then there you go. This ladybug has the two eyes and the mouth. This one, remember, we did differently. We painted the black face on with the eyes, just like this. And this one was just a very simple one. We just painted it red and made the black dots. See, and there you go. And there's 3 simple ways how you can make a ladybug. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move this aside, move the paint aside here, so I could just show you the very simple ladybug project or activity that I came up with. So what you're going to do is you're going to get some popsicle sticks. So for right now, I have 4. And as you can see, you could probably see some numbers on it. And I also made dots. So on the first popsicle stick, there's a number 1, and I put 1 dot. There's the number 2, then I put 2 dots. And here, I put the number 3, I have 3 dots. Here, the number 4, and 4 dots. So there's 2 ways that you can do this. If you have the younger kids in your classroom or at home, what you can do is, I made little ladybugs out of a clothespin. All I did was copy a little ladybug, cut the ladybug out, and I glued it onto the clothespin. As you can see, I have 5 little ladybug clothespins. So what you're going to do is, so if you have the number 1 clothespin, you could either look at the dot and say 1. Then you're going to just find 1 ladybug clothespin here. You're going to open it, and then you're just going to put it on your clothespin. So that's 1. Then you can go to number 2, and you can go to the dots again, or to the number. It all depends how old you are. And you're going to go 1, 2. Then you're going to find 2 ladybug clothespins, just like this. You're going to put 1 there. And I have another 1. Then you're going to put here. And there's 2 ladybugs. So like I said, I just used 4 little popsicle sticks for now. Like I said, I'm sure there's different ways. You could use different colored popsicle sticks. You could use black or red that matches the ladybug. But that's whatever you would like to do to learn math, how to count. So like I said, so number 4. Then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to find 4 ladybugs. 1. Here's another one. 2. Here's 3. And then here's 4. And that's 4. Then you would just count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it. There's a very simple way to count and to show the little ones math. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this art project and the math activity. I hope you guys are having a great day. The sun is out. You could hear the birds chirping. I hope you're getting outside to take a walk, throwing a ball, and hope you're enjoying your family time together. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.